Welcome to my channel once again. I haven't given an update for my garden in a very long time. It's been very hot here, and yeah, so today I thought that okay, let me just give an update of what's happening in the garden. The celery is still going strong. We are still harvesting it, yes, and it looks like it's going to be, yeah, we will still be harvesting from it for a while now. And we have some sugar cane as well. That is, yeah, it's outside the garden there. It is outside because the monkeys don't bother it. The rest of the garden is in a fenced area just to prevent monkeys from coming in. There is the celery. Okay, so this is some radish that I've let it flower, and now it has these seeds which I'm waiting for them to dry, and then when they are dry I will then collect them. And we've also had this cherry tomato that we've collected so many tomatoes from it. So many tomatoes from it, and it did very well. Some more celery there. More celery there. And more gooseberries. This one I have harvested from it. And let me just check if there isn't any gooseberry that is ripe. There is one that is ripe, and this is how it looks like when it's ripe. It's in a like a peppery cover, and then when you open it you see this gorgeous yellow fruit. Look at that, look at that. It's very nice. I love it. I love the taste of it. It's like sweet and sour. It's very tasty, and I think we are going to harvest a lot because there is a lot of fruit. You can see here, this is how the fruit looks like when it's still growing. It's a green, yeah, it's like in a green case. Yeah, it's like in a green case. Yeah, and when it ripens, the color changes to this yellow. And yeah, it's a very nice fruit. We have more gooseberry here, and then here we still have the baby kale that is growing. It actually prefers winter, but we've just let it grow because it's a perennial. We've just let it grow to see how it goes, and yeah, it seems to be doing well, and we've been picking it. And I've also planted some tomatoes just in between, just to see how they will do this time of the year. And we have one pineapple here. We have a lot of pineapples in the yard, but this is the only one that is in the garden. And I have also planted some eggplant, which is, yeah, it's growing there. Hopefully we will harvest. And this is my pomegranate tree. I bought some pomegranates, and then I put the leaves in this container, and the two germinated. So I need to transplant these somewhere in the yard. And I love pomegranates. They are also very nice. They are tasty. And we have also planted some okra. This is how it looks like. Yeah, it's just germinated, really. It's just germinated. And this is a butternut, and we have more gooseberry. And here we have more sweet potato that we've just planted, plus mealies. And I also put in these this is cayenne pepper. It also needs some fertilizer. I think this whole bed needs some fertilizer. It's not doing well, and also the soil is exposed. I need to mulch it. We have some more celery. More gooseberries, and that African basil there that my bees love very much. And that is this is a butternut squash plant, which is spreading everywhere. And these are some mealies, maize that are grown. We have some sweet potato as well that is doing well here. And my butternuts have started already. I can see there is a butternut there, so they've started fruiting already. And I think I've got two. This is one, and the other one is there. I have another one there. So far I have two butternuts that I have seen. There could be some that are somewhere that I haven't seen. So this is our maize bed. Maize with lots of, this is a pumpkin. Yeah, the pumpkins and the butternuts, they are taking over the garden. There's more maize. More maize. We have a tomato there. And we have more maize. And we've also planted some peanuts. And we also have planted these ones here. I don't know what they are called in English, but we call them izindlubu. I don't know what they are called in English, but they are very tasty. I think I've seen them in an Indian shop, or I've bought them from an Indian shop, and they are called jugo beans. Yeah, but they are very tasty. They are very nice also when they are fresh. More maize, mealies, and there is another pumpkin plant that is also spreading throughout the garden. But we don't mind it spreading as long as it gives us a lot of pumpkins. We will be happy. And this is a giant pumpkin. I do not know what is the type. We got it from a friend and we just kept the seeds. And look at that. That is a pumpkin. And I think it has more than one. Some of them are underneath the leaves there. And the kale is still growing. I actually thought that it wasn't going to do well in summer, but it seems to be fine. It's being eaten by whatever, but at least it doesn't have a lot of aphids. And I've seen a lot of ladybugs in our garden, and I'm sure that is what is taking care of the aphids. And we have some grown maize there, and we have more sweet potatoes, and also more of these beans that need to be helped really on where they need to go. And there is a pawpaw tree there that needs to be taken outside. I think it doesn't belong here. And look at that, it close scatters. Isn't that beautiful? Some maize there, which is doing very well. Yeah, the sweet potato and the pumpkins, they are dominating the garden this year. And I guess it's summer now. This is what does well in our garden at this time, because it's actually too hot for other things. So sweet potato, pumpkins, mealies, maize, they do very well at this time of the year. Oh, there is a ladybug. I hope it won't fly away, and then I can show you. There she is. There she is. And there is another one there. There's another one there. I think they are doing a good job getting rid of aphids. And there's more sweet potato that my husband just planted here. We've just put down some sweet potato slips. Yeah, I think we're going to get a lot of sweet potatoes this year. And yeah, that is it. That is our garden this summer. More sugar cane growing in the garden. Yeah. And there is a pineapple that is outside the garden. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like and enjoy what you are seeing on this channel, please consider subscribing as well as commenting and liking. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.